Good morning.
Yeah, good morning at 5:30 a.m.
Where are you going?
I am going to Dubai.
Are you excited, Nia?
Yep.
ये इसमें रखा क्या है ये बताओ.
Oh, maybe at the airport.
Nia, look, it's barely daylight. Bye, Daddy. Oh my God.
Bye.
Look at that hot tea. Aditya, why aren't you coming with me?
I'll come later.
चलो. ये देखो, रोड देखो. We are at the Dubai airport. Nia, stop it! Don't touch my camera. No, you are not getting any
No, go,
meetha.
go,
No.
go.
Okay, you want meetha? Have bananas. And who's traveling with us? Biru, hello. मज़ा आ रहा है. बीरू ने लिया एक बनाना क्योंकि बीरू को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ पे क्या है खाना. And Nia is behaving like this because as usual she wants what? पाव क्या?
पाँच चॉकलेट.
ये सब क्या होता है? No.
So I'm here in Dubai for like the 100th time and for 5 hours. No, how many hours, Mom?
How many hours?
6.
Yeah, we've just come here, baby. It's been like 2 hours since we landed.
Not 2 hours.
Do you recognize this city? Is it looking familiar?
No, it looks a little different. Anything from here because it's the law.
पकड़ो पकड़ो. अब कैमरा टर्न करो और पापा को दिखाओ. Okay, Daddy. Daddy, you want to see where we are living? We just checked in. Okay, बताओ. But हाँ, बोलो निया.
So this is the kitchen.
Oh wow. I don't want to see inside.
अरे he doesn't want to see the pans, silly. Okay, what else? Here. This here. पहले इधर दिखाते हैं. This is
a bathroom.
this is the powder room. Look at the size of the powder room.
No, it's a bathroom.
It's a powder
Yeah,
room.
it's called a powder room, baby.
This
Then
is
we have a
washing.
little living room. A dining table.
Oh, very nice.
Then we come to the bedroom, which has 2 queen sizes bed.
Nice, Nia.
Uh-huh.
And then we have to go to a balcony.
वहाँ से खुलेगी वहाँ से.
Oh, we are just taking a U-turn from the balcony.
Wait, मेरा फोन मत गिरा देना.
So we reach the balcony. We have a little area over here.
Little? This is not little by any means, Nia.
For me, it's little. And then we have a really nice swing, which I like to swing.
And
And a plant. And the view.
you didn't show the main thing, Nia. The main thing is
The view.
view.
Oh. And that looks like a pool?
Yeah, it is.
We are going to go there in the evening.
पापा जब आप आइएगा एमी को भी लाइएगा.
Of course, मैं एमी के बिना कहीं जाता ही नहीं. मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ अपनी मीटिंग में भी एमी को ले जाया करूँ.
And that's the end of the tour.
It looks like a nice place to go and walk.
अरे अमेजिंग. कैसा लग रहा है निया? तुमने आते ही क्या बोला?
Oh wow.
It looks like Singapore. There's so much
Yeah.
greenery.
When I scared you over there, I got a video of that. I
Oh,
saw that.
just look at that. Looks like a resort. in Dubai, and Nia, what are we doing here?
Swimming class.
We are not swimming here right now.
We are waiting here.
At the pool.
I have a swimming class trial session.
Yeah. Can you be a little more excited in life?
Nope.
Or have you taken out all your excitement at bounce? We just went to bounce and Nia could not bounce. Could you?
Not too much.
Why? Why are you so upset, Dola?
Ah!
Nia's tired. Okay, we'll come back later. But we are here at Nia's swimming class, and this is the pool. Quite a massive pool and lovely sessions going on inside.
This is like the end of the pool, right?
Yeah, but
It's exactly the size.
yeah, it's the Olympic sized pool, I think, or a standard size. I think Olympic is bigger. I'm not sure. So Nia just finished her swimming class. Wow, what a lovely windy day. Nia, how was your
Windy but
class?
warm. It was very nice. I learned how to do proper strokes.
हमारी कार आ गई, चलो. What? ये लेक्सस कहाँ से आ गई? अरे मेरी लेक्सस तो आई नहीं थी. Stop laughing, Nia. ये कहाँ से आई गाड़ी? किसकी है? What are you doing, Nia?
Putting some sunscreen
To go
Yeah.
where?
in the hotty pool. Wow! Let's go.
Let's go. Wow! Look at that. It actually looks like a resort, Nia. You were right. कोई कह सकता है निया हम दुबई में हैं?
You just spit the chewing gum.
Not yet.
Mom, do you know it's not chewing gum?
Go take a shower.
Mom, do you know it's not chewing gum, it's chewing gum.
Yeah, but you just say chewing gum. जैसे swimming बोलते हैं, but it's actually swimming. That happens when you're talking.
Swimming.
Okay, go take a shower, get in the pool. I'm coming in. Nia, where are you going?
25.
That's 25 cents, yeah. I mean, I don't know what it's called to dirham, but dollars का cents होता है. अच्छा सुनो. Where are you going? So, what's the plan today?
Oh, the plan is I'm going to the supermarket to get some stuff for today's dinner. And then you have to vote it. So at the last 2 days, I'm going to get whatever I want, and my budget is 51.
51 dirhams, yeah. Okay, go get the groceries.
Okay, so we're just going over here and to the supermarket to get some ingredients for our dinner, and we are just in our way. मशरूम लाओ, मशरूम है ना? चलो ये मशरूम ले लेते हैं. पकड़ो, कुछ लो फिर जिसमें डालें. वो नहीं वो खाली नहीं है.
मैं ऐसे पकड़
पकड़ो ब्रोकली. थोड़ी चाहिए हमें. पकड़ो. अब दुबई में पहली बार छोटे नींबू देखे हैं मैंने. चलो. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not seeing what you're making. I'm just excited.
But you're taller than me.
Okay, I promise I'm not.
Put your head down. This is what I have made till now. What do you mean? Look at this. And this is the whole kitchen. Yeah. Okay. So, have a look at this. Right now the vegetables are cut. So, let's go. पानी निकाल दिया? चलो. We'll just have to put this. अब चीज़ लो.
गैस ऑन नहीं किया.
कोई बात नहीं, पहले लाओ तो.
कितना चाहिए?
पहले ये डाल देंगे, फिर देखिए। चलो एक काम कर, वो ऊपर ढक्कन कहाँ है इसका? है होगा, देखो ये बड़ा वाला पसंद दोनों के। कोई बड़ी प्लेट नहीं, ये तो नहीं आएगा इसमें, आएगा क्या? नहीं आएगा, तो इससे थोड़ा बड़ा सही है। लो फिर, अच्छा ठीक है। फिर कोई बड़ी प्लेट है?
A few moments later.
This is what my dear lovely Nia has made. Cheesy broccoli and mushroom and carrots. And I'm gonna eat it now. It's out of the world. It's nice and crunchy. I like it. वाह वाह बीरू, निया ने सब्जी बहुत अच्छी बनाई। निया ने बनाई कि तुमने बनाई है? निया ने बनाई है। अरे वाह। Nia, let's sing. Come.
Happy
She's more interested in her donuts.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Papa.
Love you.
Nia, say I love you.
Love you.
I love you too.
Who's the best Papa in the world?
Aditya.
बीरू, भैया का बर्थडे है।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
हाँ भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। क्या हाल है?
सब बढ़िया
मजा में?
जी।
विदेशी बन गए तुम हैं?
बोलो आ जाए।
भैया आप आ जाइए और इन्हीं को ले आइए।
सोच रहे हैं आ जाए, बस अयान के एग्जाम चल रहे हैं, तुम तो जानते ही हो अयान को।
इन्हीं को ले आइए, बहुत बेकार लग रहा है उसके बिना।
हाँ यार, एमी की बहुत याद आ रही है।
ये तो
अयानू की तो बदमाशी, इट्स फाइन टू टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम दैट।
नहीं, अयानू बिल्कुल बिना निया के बदमाशी नहीं है।
और निया बिना अयान के इतनी स्वीट है ना। वी आर हैविंग सच अ गुड टाइम हियर, सो काम एंड चिल। से गुड नाइट।
गुड नाइट।
लव यू डैडी।
गुड नाइट मेरा बेटा। आई लव यू। ओके।
अच्छा तो मॉम आपको पता है, जब भी जैसे कि अभी पापा आ रहे तो अभी कंफर्म नहीं है ना कि वो आएंगे। तो अगर वो आएंगे तो वो कहेंगे यू लुक सो टॉल।
रियली? क्यों?
और जब मैं हम वहाँ पे जाएं, इन केस अगर वो नहीं आए तो वो यही कहेंगे कि यू लुक सो टॉल। सब लोग यही कहते हैं मुझे।
That's because you are growing, na Nia? So every time you go back after 10 days, 15 days, you would have grown like maybe a centimeter, half a centimeter. So it's nice because it won't last all your life. It's only while you're growing. It's not like when you're 20 years old then you'll go back from a holiday and people will say you're tall. That'll be funny, right?
You're 40.
So you like it when people say that you're tall? Why?
I
What if
think
you were not so tall?
short. I didn't mind. I could play hide and seek really nicely.
Exactly. Every size is good, right?
I don't care about the size.
Yeah. That's smart. It's good to be tall, it's good to be short.
Actually, if I be short, it will be good for me to play hide and seek.
And fit into mama's godi.
Yeah. And if I'm tall, then maybe I can. Like there's a tree and there's a ball stuck in it. Maybe I can help.
Yeah. Okay, ab soye. Good talk.
Good talk.
Good night. How's Dubai going? Oh yeah. How's Dubai going?
Nice.
What did we do today? Chilled in the pool, huh?
Yeah. Tomorrow we are going to the Museum of Candies.
No, tomorrow you have your swimming class.
God. Then day after we are going to the Museum of Candies.
Do you want to go to the Museum of the Future?
What
It's
is
got
that?
all the tech जो फ्यूचर में आने वाला है.
How does that happen?
I don't know. Let's go and figure it out.
Of course, but first, Museum of Candies.
Okay. Bye bye. Good
Wait,
night.
wait. I think Museum of Future because I want to know what's going to happen to me after some
It's not
time.
Museum of Nia's future.
Anahita, right over here.
Okay, Anahita, signing off now. मेरे हाथ में दर्द हो गया है कैमरा पकड़े पकड़े.
अभी 2 घंटे और पकड़ना है.
Signing off now.
Nope. I'm gonna add. I want to know. So if I am going to get hurt in the future, I'll be really careful.
चलो. Okay.
And I'll even find out.
Nia, you're so fond of talking and talking on camera. Do you realize you're talking nonsense?
And I'll also get to know if Papa's coming or not.
Okay. Museum of Anahita and Aditya's future. Let's go. Good night.